Hi guys, my name is Connie and I'm doing a series of where I walk you guys through on my progress of Webflow University, and hopefully we can learn together because I'm also learning how to use Webflow as well. So in today's lesson, I am doing, if you haven't seen my videos before, I'm doing a partnering video with Webflow University. I encourage you to look at their courses, and all I'm doing is creating like a lesson or applying whatever they taught in the video into actual mini projects. So definitely check out, so in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to create forms or creating a form. Please check out this video on Webflow University because it talks about adding a form, the anatomy of a form, and all the nitty-gritty details that I will not be explaining, but will show you the process of how to create and style one. So I'm assuming that you've already watched this video, and we're going to get started on our first project. So what you want to do first is to add a container for your form. So we're going to hit Control E, or you can add it in here. You're going to drag and drop a container, and within the container, we're going to add a div block. So add a div block, and now we can add a form just down here. All right. As you can see, our container, our form and div block are within the container. So what we're going to do is also add a heading and a paragraph, so it looks a little bit nicer. So, okay, I'm going to add it through here. Control E, heading, and Control E, paragraph. Okay, now I want to make it in the correct order. Probably customize some text so it doesn't look funny. Contact us. Please fill out this form. There we go. And we are going to center this in the middle of the form. All right, it looks good so far. And let's see, what we're going to do next is we're going to add some margins so the div block will have its own, it will pop out. For example, it's going to have its container similar to this. So we're going under div block, and we're going to give it some margins. So Control Shift, hold Shift, and we're going to pull out just like that, and then add some padding within this div block, just like that. It's kind of hard to see, so we're going to be changing the color of our div block. Go down to backgrounds. Rather than transparent, pick a color that you like. Let's see, am I changing the background? Div block 6. There you go. Let's choose this light gray. All right, so now we're going to add a border. We're going to round the borders. We're going to give it a box shadow so it pops out from the website. Give it a little distance, blur, and let's lighten up the colors. There you go, so it's not too harsh. So there you have it. There is a basic form and it's styled. If you would like to edit the name field, you can edit through here. Let's see, you can hit form and change it, especially if the success message and the error. Definitely watch the video that I recommended because it'll tell you how to edit these. I also want to add enter your, make sure it's required, and then enter your email. All right, I just like it better when it has fillers inside because it looks nicer. I want to get out of the error message. I want it normal. So this is what it looks like. And this is a basic form that we created today. I hope this was helpful. Please let me know if this was helpful for you. I definitely like watching the lectures and then doing hands-on projects. So hopefully this is a mini project that you can work on after watching the lecture videos. So I hope to see you in other videos, and thank you for watching.